Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and realizing that your only job today is to sleep. No boss, no deadlines, no stress. And at the end of the day, money hits your bank account. Sounds fake, right? But this actually happened. And the man who did this is named Chris Clark. Today's video will completely change the way you think about money, work, and opportunity. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'll tell you how normal people can apply for these experiments too. Before we start, comment, "If sleeping was a job, I'd be rich." We all joke about it. I'm so good at sleeping. I could sleep all day. I wish someone paid me to sleep. But Chris Clark didn't joke about it. He actually did it. No lottery, no crypto, no YouTube fame, no inheritance, just sleeping. Now the real question is, why would anyone pay a stranger just to sleep? The answer is way more interesting than you think. Chris Clark wasn't special. No rich background, no scientific degree, no social media following, just a normal guy with normal bills and normal problems. One day, while scrolling online, he saw a strange ad. Participants needed for sleep research, paid. Most people would ignore it. Chris didn't. He applied. And that single click turned into one of the weirdest ways to earn money. Let me ask you, if you saw that ad today, would you apply or scroll past it? Be honest in the comments. When Chris got selected, the rules were explained. He would stay in a sleep laboratory. Sensors would be attached to his body. His sleep patterns would be recorded. Doctors would monitor everything. And the payment? Thousands of dollars. At first, it sounded like the easiest money ever. Sleep is something he already did every day. So why not get paid for it? But here's where the story changes. Sleeping for money isn't as easy as it sounds. Chris couldn't sleep whenever he wanted. He had to sleep on schedule. Lights controlled, temperature controlled, noise controlled. Even small movements were recorded. Sometimes he wasn't sleepy at all, but still had to lie there for hours. Your sleep is no longer yours. Your body becomes data. So tell me, could you sleep on command? Or do you need silence, darkness, and your own bed? Now, here's the important part. Scientists study sleep to understand insomnia, mental health, memory, brain activity, depression, and anxiety. To do this, they need real humans, not machines. People like Chris help scientists improve treatments, develop medicines, understand how the brain truly works. So Chris wasn't just earning money, he was contributing to medical science. If you're enjoying this story so far, hit like because the next part is even crazier. Payments depend on the study, but on average, $1,000 to $5,000 plus per experiment. Sometimes for just a few days of controlled sleep. Chris joined multiple studies. Over time, it became a serious side income. Think about this. You sleep every night for free. Chris slept and got paid. The difference? He applied. You didn't. Now the big question. Can you do this too? The answer is yes. Universities, hospitals, and research centers are constantly looking for sleep study participants, psychology test subjects, brain research volunteers. These studies are legal, ethical, paid. But you need discipline, patience, ability to follow strict rules. Not everyone qualifies, but many people do. Chris Clark's story proves one thing. Money isn't limited. Ideas are. Something you do every day without thinking might be valuable to someone else. Today, you sleep for free. Tomorrow, someone might pay for that data. If you want more videos about unusual ways people earn money, real stories, not fake motivation, legal but shocking income ideas, subscribe, and turn on notifications and comment. What's one thing you'd love to get paid for? The next story is even more unbelievable. Don't miss it.